Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Toshiba brand, their air purifier for rooms as large as 196 square feet, which is like a 14 feet by 14 foot room. Has a CADR rating of 127 CFM. We're going to talk about what that means. Uses a 3-stage filter, H13 HEPA filter right there. It comes all sealed. Make sure you remove the seal before you use the unit. It has an internal UV light sanitizer built into the device, so the air passes through a UV light sanitizer. Has an air quality digital display letting you know the quality rating, a 12-hour timer, and it should be quiet 22 dB or less so that you can use it at night when you're sleeping. So the CADR rating is giving an objective standard to evaluate effectiveness of any air purification device. So I did a calculation. This comes from the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers, and you take the CADR rating and you multiply this by 1.55 to get the room size. So when I take the CADR rating 127 times 1.55, I get 196 square feet room. That's why this unit is very efficient, and that's a large room. This will work with 14 by 14. And one of the reasons it's so efficient is if you look at this piece right here, you'll notice that it accepts air all the way around it, not just in one area, not just on the bottom. A lot of these take air in from the bottom. This takes air all the way around it and sends it through this filter up into the device where that UV light is. So that's how they get in that CADR rating of 127. It tells you the efficiency of it. So it has a real-time air quality. It has a real-time air quality technology, and that way we can see the quality of the air. So if all of a sudden you get like cigarette smoke or some dirt or debris, dog hair, it'll kind of respond, and the LED color will change, and it'll have orange, green. Blue is good. So you can also see, what it's doing because it's working real time, which is nice. What's nice is that not only you recognize it, but it's cleaning the air in your home office, your living room, or bedroom. And this auto mode technology is going constantly, protecting you with that 360 degrees of coverage. This is powerful, high performance. Tornado Air Max system has an optimized aerodynamic design that's up to 20% more efficient than traditional air purifiers. The 360 degree filter element that I showed draws air from all directions, refreshing the air 5 times per hour, even if the room is as large as I mentioned, at 14 by 14. So this carbon filter, the H13 True HEPA filter, and will remove 99.97% of microscopic allergens and even germs, because they could be a certain size that'll be caught by this filter. You can get extra filters. I'll have a link for that. This has 12 speed settings and a 12-hour timer, and 2 extra settings, auto and sleep. Sleep mode features lights off and noise control for ultra quiet operation. This uses a powerful DC motor and delivers ultra quiet efficiency filtration for peak performance. We're going to show you how to assemble this. It's really simple. How to take the filter, you take the plastic off. This product comes with a full 1-year manufacturer's warranty from Toshiba. This unit has quality you can trust. This Toshiba Air Purifier is AHAM certified, Energy Star rated, ETL certified. ETL is like UL, it's in the United States, but it runs longer than UL, and it tells you that it complies with all the regulations for safety, the materials, and electrical system. The power supply is included. It's a 24-volt power supply with a US plug on there, and that's what's going to power the whole unit. So I removed the plastic, and here is what the filter looks like. Now I've tested a lot of air filters over the years, and this is the highest quality air filter I've ever felt. And I'm saying that because it has a very decent amount of weight to it and thickness, and it just feels incredibly solid. And when I shine a light through it, I can't even see the light because there's so much material, but yet this has a very easy flow-through design. Now to put it together is very easy. The filter can go in either direction, and it goes into the base right here. It goes either direction and it lines up perfectly, just like, almost looks like a subwoofer speaker. And then if you look, this can go in any direction. On the bottom of it has really nice oversized rubber feet, which is nice. And then to top it, you take the top unit, and if you notice on this top unit, there's a push button right there, and it releases some tabs on the bottom right there. So this just sits on here and locks in place just like that. And what's really nice is that this can go in any direction. There's no specific direction. I can remove this like that, and then I could just put it this way, and it locks in place. They have the receptor pieces that work with that tab all the way around the unit, so that it could be here, 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 or here. Very clever. Now to power the unit up, it has the 24 volt AC to DC adapter. You just plug that in into 120 volts. The other end goes on the back, and there's a barrel connector right there, and that's how you power it up. We're going to plug it in right now. So here I have it powered on, and it's got this really neat little blue light right there. Just wanted to show you, I have a watt meter right here, and I'm on watts. Let's just take a look at the watts of this, and you can see it's drawing 20 watts. So it's very efficient, and this is on the highest speed with the UV light on. So here I have the studio lights turned down a little bit so we can see the display. Very nice, attractive looking display. I can feel the air coming out here. It smells very fresh. So there's that real-time display in micrograms per meter cubed, and it's letting me know the quality of the air. And that color will change if I get bad quality air. And here is the speed. First of all, power. You can turn the unit on and off right there. It'll remember the last setting. Anytime you want to have UV light on, you hit that, and then the UV light lights up. Then you know that the UV is going as added protection. And if you look closely, you see that green color right there. That's the quality of the actual air. And that will give you indications of the quality of the air. So green means that the air is good quality. Speed control is real simple. You hit that, it goes from 1 all the way up to 12. And I'm sure the air is blowing into the camera right now. Let's put that back down to 1. If you change the filter, there is a reset button right there that you can hit to actually change the filter. So there is a timer function right there. You can hit that. 0 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, or 0. So 0 means that it's going to stay on, filtering the air constantly. So just listen how quiet this thing is. If I increase it, even on 4, it's very quiet. And again, this is pulling in air all the way around the unit, 360 degrees, all the way around it. Now there is a mode button over here, and you see the A, that means automatic. So it's going to adjust based on the needs of the unit. And you hit the M and it goes to turbo mode. That's when all of a sudden there might be smoke and cooking in the room, and you want to really clean it up. And then you go back to this mode here. This is a little moonlight symbol. This is the quietest mode for sleeping. So you have the mode switch right there, and automatic is probably the one you're going to use the most unless it's in a bedroom and you're sleeping. Now this button has 2 functions. You hold it 3 seconds to reset the filter when you change it, but also allows you to change the brightness of the display or turn the display off if it's too bright in a bedroom. And then you can have your choice right there. I don't think it's going to be too bright in a bedroom. I think it's pretty dim and nice and perfect for sleeping. So here I turn more of the studio lights off just to see how nice the display looks, and that green right there. And again, that's a real-time quality indicator That'll change colors to let you know if it goes out of the green zone, letting you know that the air is being cleared and cleaned and the air quality had dropped. It'll also tell you right there real time the micrograms per cubic meters of the air quality. So right now I'm in my basement studio and air quality is fine, but it sure smells really fresh, the air. So after testing the Toshiba brand air purifier, what do I think about this product? I'm really impressed. I'm impressed for several things. The simplicity of the display, the way it looks, the quality of the materials in this, the quality of the plastic, everything is smooth. The unique 360-degree all the way around air intake system that they're using. The quality of that HEPA filter really impressed me. And the quietness of this and the freshness of the air coming out of this. I think you need to give this product a try. It's really high quality. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented here helped you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.